అందరికీ నమస్కారములు. నమో నమః. Today is another session on Sanskrita language learning. This is the 10th session. We are learning Sanskritam language and preparing for Pravesha exam and also Parichaya exam of Sanskrita Bharati. We already had 10 sessions completing Pravesha, and now we are in the fifth session of Parichaya. Shri Akella Hemakanta Prabhakar Rao Guruji is guiding us, teaching us the Sanskritam language. So let us start the session with paying respects to our country by reciting Vande Mataram. Let us request Challa Chittibabu Garu to recite Vande Mataram, please.
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमिता द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्.
వందే మాతరం. ధన్యవాదములండి చలా చిట్టిబాబు గారు. Now let us request Sudhir Patarji to chant Pradhana, please.
Let's start with 1 minute meditation. गणपतिं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ श्रीमहागणाधिपतये नमः। ॐ प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्र्यवतु। ॐ श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। गुरुरेव गतिः गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मां पाहि गुरो। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पाद शङ्करं लोकशङ्करं। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। मातृदेवो भव पितृदेवो भव आचार्यदेवो भव अतिथिदेवो भव। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्।
ధన్యవాదములండి సుధీర్ గారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. నౌ లెట్ us రిక్వెస్ట్ గురూజీ టు స్టార్ట్ ద వెబినార్ ప్లీజ్.
నమస్తే. సర్వేభ్యः నమస్కారः. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నమస్కారం టు ఎవ్రీవన్. Let us start our Sanskrit class, fourth lesson of Parchaya. I already sent the lesson to you. I think you must have all read the lesson thoroughly. Now let us do Prarthana first. Pathami Sanskritam Nityam Adami Sanskritam Sada Jhayami Sanskritam Samyak Vande Sanskritamataram संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय नैजं सर्वं ददाम्यहम् संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन् संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन् आत्मानमाहुतं मन्ये वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्. Let me share the lesson first. Hope you are all seeing the lesson. Now, lesson 4 in Parchaya Bhaga. I already sent the lesson last week itself. Must have read it. In this class, we are talking about two important things. One is ordinals, another is Chitta Channa Prayoga. Both are important issues, but very simple issues, but very important issues in the Prayoga. Ordinals means Purana Prachayantaha. All these numbers, real numbers, what we talk about, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all these things, any number, they are all cardinals. Sankhya. In Sanskritam, they are Sankhya. Ordinals are which identify a particular number. Either first person or second person or third person, or first thing, second thing, third thing, like that. They are called ordinals. In Sanskritam, they are called Purana Prachayantaha. Purana Prachayantaha. So what is the difference between these two is, cardinals give numbers. If I say one person, there is only one person will be there, or one item will be there. If I say two, there are two persons will be there, either male or female or neutral. There will be two persons will be there. Like that, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. It gives number. The cardinals are numbers, Sankhya. Either it could be for a person or could be for a thing or an item or an article or a place. So now 1 boy, 2 boys, 3 books. Like that, it gives quantity of that noun or pronoun or visheshyam. Earlier we learned visheshyam aspect. The noun and pronoun, that is namavachaka or sarvanama shabdaha, visheshyam rupena karyam karoti in the sentence. When they are working as visheshyam rupena karyam karoti, when you are using sankhya along with that visheshyam, this sankhya works as a visheshanam. And that sankhya will have variation of linga up to 4. Above 4, there is no variation in linga also. Only vibhakti variation will be there. That's all. That is the condition of the cardinals, sankhyaha. They work as a visheshanam to visheshyam. All sankhyas will work as a visheshanam to visheshyam. So between sankhya and visheshyam, there is visheshana visheshya sarupya bhavam is there. Linga vachana vibhakti sarupyam should be there between these two. That is what we understood till now. Now, what are these Purana Prachayanta? Whereas Purana Prachaya identifies a particular person in a group or a thing in a group, and always will act as a singular ekavachanam. Even if you say 100th person, it's only one person. 100th book is only one book. So he talks about only singular. And if that singular Purana Prachayanta is used for a Pullingam, it should be used in Pullinga Rupam. If that is used in Srilingam, it should be used in Srilinga Rupam. If that is used for Napusaranga Sabda, it should be used in Napusaranga Rupam. So this Purana Prachayanta also will have 3 lingas, and they will work as a Visheshanam to Visheshyam. That means there will be the Purana Prachayantas will be in all the 3 lingas as well as 7 vibhaktis, but not Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam. Only Ekavachanam, always Ekavachanam, because it identifies a particular issue. It identifies a particular issue. You are pinpointing it. That is the Purana Prachayanta specialty. That is known in English, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, like 100th, 1000th, millionth, kotith, lakshmi, lakshat, like that. That's that number. So now let us read these sentences, which indicates Purana Prachayantas in the sentences, along with Visheshya. Either Namavachaka Sabdaha or Sarvanam Sabdaha as Visheshya. Pantau, Pankti Sabdasya Saptami Vibhakti. Pantau, Indi Pankti. Pantau, Pradhamaha Balakaha. Pankti means line. In a line, Pradhamaha Balakaha, the first boy. Pradhamaha Balakaha. Balakaha Pullinga Sabdam. It's Pradhamaha. First boy is Pullinga Rupam. Pradhamaha Balakaha. Pradhamaha Balakaha Vamanaha Asti is a short boy. Asti. Kaha Asti? Balakaha Asti. Balakaha Katham Asti? Vamanaha Asti. Kaha Balakaha? Pradhamaha Balakaha. द्वितीयः बालकः नास्ति, तृतीयः बालकः नास्ति, प्रथमः बालकः एव वामनः. कुत्र? पङ्क्त्यौ, in a line. पङ्क्त्यौ प्रथमः बालकः वामनः अस्ति इति पुल्लिङ्ग प्रयोगः. पुस्तकस्य प्रथमे पुटे प्रास्ताविकम् अस्ति. अस्ति किमस्ति प्रास्ताविकम् अस्ति प्रस्तावना इंट्रोडक्शन इज देयर कुत्र अस्ति पुटे अस्ति किं पुटे कस्मिन् पुटे अस्ति सप्तमी प्रयोगं पुटे सप्तमी प्रयोगं पुटः पुटे पुटः शब्दस्य सप्तमी प्रयोगं पुटे कुत्र अस्ति प्रास्ताविकं पुटे अस्ति कस्मिन् पुटे अस्ति सप्तमी प्रयोगं कदा कस्मिन् पुटे अस्ति प्रथमे पुटे अस्ति प्रथमे पुटे सप्तमी प्रयोगं तस्य कस्य प्रथमे पुटे पुस्तकस्य प्रथमे पुटे पुस्तकस्य प्रथमे पुटे वास्तविकम् अस्ति अत्र प्रथमे पुटे सप्तमी प्रयोगं पूर्णप्रत्ययान्तः विशेष्यं पुटः प्रथमाविभक्तिरूपं किमस्ति प्रथमः पुटः इति प्रथमाविभक्तिरूपं परन्तु अत्र सप्तमी प्रयोगं कुर्मः we are using in septami seventh vibhakti seventh case so that putah shabdam has gone to pute when that has gone to pute the pradhamah shabdam should go to saptami vibhakti pradhame pute so like that is to be understood so girishasya pradhama agraja वित्तकोशे कार्यं करोति करोति किं करोति कार्यं करोति कः करोति अग्रजा करोति कुत्र कार्यं करोति वित्तकोशे कार्यं करोति का अग्रजा प्रथमा अग्रजा द्वितीया अग्रजा नास्ति प्रथमा अग्रजा अग्रजा स्त्रीलिंग शब्दं प्रथमा स्त्रीलिंगरूपं प्रथमः पुल्लिंगरूपं प्रथमः बालकः प्रथमा अग्रजा लिंगसारूप्य गिरीशस्य कस्य प्रथमा अग्रजा गिरीशस्य प्रथमा अग्रजा वित्तकोशे कार्यं करोति गिरीशस्य प्रथमा अग्रजा वित्तकोशे कार्यं करोति इति स्त्रीलिंग प्रयोगं प्रथमा विभक्ति प्रयोगं गिरिजायाः द्वितीया अग्रजा अग्रजा स्त्रीलिंग शब्द अगेन सो द्वितीया शब्दस्य द्वितीयः शब्दस्य स्त्रीलिंग रूपं द्वितीया अग्रजा संगणक कार्यालये कार्यं करोति कंप्यूटर सेक्शन संगणक कार्यालये कार्यं करोति किं करोति कार्यं करोति कुत्र कार्यं करोति संगणक कार्यालये कार्यं करोति का कार्यं करोति अग्रजा का अग्रजा द्वितीया अग्रजा कस्याः द्वितीया अग्रजा गिरिजायाः गिरिजा स्त्रीलिंग शब्दं सो प्रश्न शुड बी इन स्त्रीलिंग रूपं कस्याः द्वितीया अग्रजा संगणक कार्यालय में कार्यं करोति गिरिजायाः नेक्स्ट विद्यालये द्वितीयः प्रकोष्ठः विशालः अस्ति कः विशालः अस्ति प्रकोष्ठः पुल्लिंग रूपं सो कः प्रकोष्ठः द्वितीयः प्रकोष्ठः प्रथमः नास्ति तृतीयः नास्ति द्वितीय प्रकोष्ठः एव विशालः प्रथमः कोष्ठः विशालः नास्ति वा न अस्ति वा नास्ति वा वयं न जानीमः वी डोंट नो परन्तु वी नो द्वितीयः प्रकोष्ठः विशालः अस्ति कुत्र विद्यालये in the school so द्वितीयस्य अट्टस्य उपरि तृतीयः अट्टः अस्ति कः अस्ति अट्टः अस्ति फ्लोर कः अट्टः तृतीयः अट्टः कुत्र अस्ति उपरि अस्ति कस्य उपरि अस्ति अट्टस्य उपरि अस्ति कस्य अट्टस्य द्वितीयस्य अट्टस्य सो द्वितीय अट्टः षष्ठी विभक्ति प्रयोगं द्वितीयः अट्टः प्रथमा विभक्ति द्वितीयस्य अट्टस्य षष्ठी विभक्ति प्रयोगं तृतीयः अट्टः प्रथमा विभक्ति प्रयोगं द्वितीय अट्टस्य उपरि तृतीयः अट्टः अस्ति पाण्डवेषु पञ्चमः अस्ति सहदेवः अस्ति कः अस्ति सहदेवः अस्ति सहदेवः कः अस्ति पञ्चमः अस्ति केषु पञ्चमः अस्ति इन् हूस् पञ्चमः अस्ति केषु पाण्डवेषु भगवद्गीतायां षष्ठः अध्यायः आत्मसंयमयोगः अस्ति अस्ति अध्यायः हियर् क्रिया इस् नाट् देयर् अस्ति कः अस्ति आत्मसंयोगः अस्ति आत्मसंयोगः कः अध्यायः कः अध्यायः षष्ठः अध्यायः कस्यां षष्ठः अध्यायः सप्तमी प्रयोगः भगवद्गीतायां भगवद्गीतायां श्रीलिङ्गरूपम् नेक्स्ट वर्गस्य सप्तमे दिने कौमुदी भोजनम् आसीत् आसीत् भूतकाल प्रयोग आसीत् इट वाज देयर किम् आसीत् भोजनम् कौमुदी भोजनम् आसीत् कौमुदी अर्थात् किम् मून्लैट् भोजनं मीन्स् डिनर् मून्लैट् डिनर् कौमुदी भोजनम् आसीत् मून्लैट् डिनर् वास् देयर कदा दिने कस्मिन् दिने सप्तमे दिने सप्तमं दिनं प्रथमा विभक्ति प्रयोगं सप्तमे दिने सप्तमी प्रयोगम् एकवचनं वर्गस्य कस्य सप्तमी दिने वर्गस्य संस्कृतवर्गः वा सनातनधर्मवर्गः वा किमपि वर्गस्य क्लास् वर्गस्य सप्तमी दिने कौमुदी भोजनम् आसीत् अष्टादशे दिने महाभारतयुद्धं समाप्तम् आसीत् किम् आसीत् समाप्तम् आसीत् किं समाप्तम् आसीत् महाभारतयुद्धं कदा आसीत् दिने कस्मिन् दिने अष्टादश दिने अष्टादशं दिनम् अष्टादशे दिने for all these purana pracyantaah there will be pullinga rupam strilinga rupam napusaka rupam depending on the visheshyam that will be used along with that because it has to follow visheshana vishesha sarupyam. Now let us read the purana pratyanta rupas of various.
Mahodaya.
Yes.
Ninth example, Kaumudi Bhojanam is Visheshyamu. Vargasya Saptame Dine Kaumudi Bhojanam Asit.
Kaumudi Bhojanam is not Visheshanam. Asit. Kim Asit? Bhojanam Asit.
That is Napumsakalingam, Mahodaya.
Yes.
Saptame is also for Napumsakalingam. Saptame is Napumsakalingam only. Correct?
Saptame dine.
Because Pumlingam and Napumsakalingam. Pumlingam and Napumsakalingam are common for all vibhaktis.
That is a Pravesha Patham. So
okay.
by this time one should know For all the rupas of Tritiya Vibhakti onwards, Napunsaka Rupa and Pullinga Rupas are same.
Yes, thank you, Mahoday.
All
Dhanyawadaha.
the words,
Dhanyawadaha. Dhanyawadaha.
irrespective of anything. Pullinga and Strilinga words, Pullinga and Napunsakalinga words from Tritiya Vibhakti onwards, Ekvachana, Dvivachana, Bahuvachanam will be same. Now, let us see 1. Ekam, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 10, 20. Ekam, dve, trini, dasha, vimshatihi. This the 1 is cardinal. This ordinal is prathamaha, first. Second, ditiyaha. Third, tritiyaha. 10th, dashamaha. 20th, vimshati tamaha. This tamaha is extra. You are understand. This comes at 20th. 20th, vimshati tamaha, Pullinga Rupa. Now let us see the various numbers. Let us read this. Ekam, prathamaha, prathamam. Ekam is the Sankhya Sabdam, cardinal. The ordinal Sabdas, Purana Prachyantaha, Pullinga, Strilinga, Napunsaka Rupas are prathamaha, prathamam for Ekam. Ekam is Sankhya Rupa. For this also Trilingas are there, as we learned already. But we are not discussing that here. We are taking only Purana Prachyantas. Ekam, prathama. Dvaye, dvitiya. Trini, tritiya. Chatvari, chaturdham. Panchaha, panchamam. Shashtaha, shashtam. Saptamam. Ashtamam. Navamam. Dashamam. Ekadasi. Dwadasham. Trayodasham. Chaturdasham. Up to this, you must have heard Strilinga Sabda number of times in your life. What is the first day after Paurnami? Pajyami or Prathama. Next day, Dvitiya. We say in Telugu Dvitiya, but it's not in Sanskrit. Tithi is a Strilinga Sabda. Since Tithi is Strilinga Sabdam, Prathama Tithi should be Prathama Tithi. Prathama Tithi Pajyami or Padama. Dvitiya Tithi Dvitiya. Tritiya Tithi Tritiya. Chaturdhi. This is wrong. Chaturdhi. This is wrong. I have typed. 2 should come after cha. Chaturdhi. Vinayaka Chaturdhi. Panchami. Naga Panchami. Sashti. Subramanya Sashti. Saptami. Radha Saptami. Ashtami. Durgashtami. Navami. Mahar Navami. Ekadasi. Vaikunta Ekadasi. Dwadasi. Kshirabdi Dwadasi. Chaturdasi.
Ananta Padmanabha
Chaturdasi. Panchadasi is Paurnami or Amavasya. That's what we Paurnami or Amavasya. Got to say. So this is what you are accustomed for. We are already using in Panchangam.
Mahoday,
All
Vinayaka
Purana
Chaviti.
Prachyantas because they are identifying a particular day where moon is there. Now we go to Sodashaha.
Mahodaya,
Yes.
Vinayaka Chaviti, Vinayaka Chaturthi. Chaviti will also be called, na?
Saviti is Telugu word.
Telugu word.
Saviti. You say Chaviti in Telugu, Chaviti, there is no Dirgham there.
Thank
But
you.
Chaturdhi is the Sanskrit word.
Dhanyawad.
Whether Saviti is there or not in Sanskrit, I am not sure. I have to check it. But Chaviti normally Telugu we use it. Vinayaka Chaviti. But what you understood is Shrilinga Sabda. That's what we have to understand. Shodashaha Shodasi Shodasham. Saptadashaha Saptadasi Saptadasham. Ashtadashaha Ashtadasi Ashtadashaha Ashtadasi Ashtadasham. Navadashaha Navadasi Navadasham. Up to this, all are one type of Purana Prachayantaha, ordinals. When you come to Vimshatihi, 20th onwards, there is one suffix adds to this. For each linga, Pullinga separate suffix, Strilinga separate suffix, Napuskalinga separate suffix. The suffix is Tamaha, Tami, Tamam. You take Vimshatihi, you take only Vimshati, remove Visarga and add Tamaha. Vimshati Tamaha, Vimshati Tami, Vimshati Tamam. For every number, you have to add this. From 20 onwards. It could be any number. 10 to the power of 64th number also okay. Up to that, we got numbers in Sanskritam. Up to 10 to the power of 64, for that, up to that point, you got numbers. Till that time, if you want to identify a person of 10 to the power of 64, you have to say 10 to the power of 64th person. For that, you have to say Tamaha. Whatever name we use for that Tamaha we have to use. Vimshatihi, Vimshati Tamaha, Vimshati Tami, Vimshati Tamam. Ekavimshatihi, Ekavimshati Tamaha, Ekavimshati Tami, Ekavimshati Tamam. Trimshat, 30th. 30. Trimshat Tamaha, double ta. Trimshat Tamaha, double takaram, 30th. Trimshat Tami, Srilingam, Trimshat Tamam, Napuskalam. Chatvarimshat, 40. Chatvarimshat Tamaha, Chatvarimshat Tami, Chatvarimshat Tamam. Dvanavatihi. There are in between there. But we are not talking about those things. They are all understood. Dvinavatihi, 92. Dvinavati Tamaha, 92nd. 92nd person. Pullinga person. Navati Tami, 92nd female person. Navati Tamam, 92nd neutral person. So that's how, that is this Tamaha, Tami, Tamam Prayogam should be used without fail. If you don't use it, it doesn't give correct meaning. Satam, Satatamaha, Satatami, Satatamam. Similarly, the later words also. Special note of numerals Vimsati onwards, Tamaha, Tami, Tamam should be fixed to the Sankhya-vachaka Shabdaha. These affixes are not added to numerals below 20. Below 20, these affixes are not required.
Yeah.
Guruji,
Yes.
Guruji, Shubhodayam.
बोलिए.
Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Panch, Shashta, Saptasha, Navadasha. This will change for Srilingam, Purushalingam and Napunsakalingam.
Are you reading these things? Pradhamaha, Pradhamam. Dvitiya, Dvitiya, Dvitiyam. Tritiya, Tritiya, Tritiyam. Chaturdha, Chaturdi, Chaturdam. Up to
In some books, Guruji, in some books I saw that for Purusha, Eka will be changed like Dve, Di, Di.
It's not clear to me. What is your doubt?
My doubt is Sankhya. We have Sankhya like 1, 2, 3, 4 Sankhya like Ekam, Dve, Trini,
Did you
Chatvari,
understand? Did you attend the last class?
No, I didn't attend, so I should see. Okay, sir. Okay.
Mahodaya.
Did you hear the video?
Shaminchu. Okay.
So last year class, we have discussed about this Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari and their Linga Surupam. Up to 4, they are having Linga Vedam.
एकः
From
एक
5 onwards,
एकं
there is no Linga Vedam in Sankhyas. That's what we discussed in last
द्वौ
class.
द्वे द्वे त्रयः तिस्रः त्रयम्
अस्तु गुरुजी,
The
धन्यवादः।
table is also
चत्वारि
given there.
महोदय
Yeah.
हरि ओम महोदय can I say that एकविंशतितमे प्रकोष्ठे कक्षा चलति? Is it correct महोदय?
एकविंशतितमे प्रकोष्ठे
कक्षा चलति।
कक्षा चलति, correct.
Correct. Okay महोदय, धन्यवादः. I am
See,
clarified.
Singhji, please see this table. Last class, you have not read the lesson, third lesson. You have not seen the video, last video. You have not
चत्वारः
come to the
एक
class.
द्वे तिस्रः चतस्रः.
अस्तु अस्तु गुरुजी, I saw that. I am looking in that.
We have written
धन्यवादः।
महोदय. We have
When you
written.
come to
Thank
the
you.
class, at least you have to see one of these three things when you have not attended the class.
अस्तु गुरुजी, क्षम्यताम्।
And let us go to. Now, I appreciate asking the question, but I request you all people also, please spend some time in attending the class or hearing the video or reading the lesson. Threefold work I am doing. At least one work you do out of these three.
महोदय, one more doubt महोदय. हरि ओम.
Yes. बोलिए.
कौरवेषु तम पुत्रः विकर्णः. Is it correct महोदय?
कौरवेषु नवविंशतितमः
तमः पुत्रः विकर्णः.
नवविंशतितमः पुत्रः, करेक्ट. विकर्णः आसीत्.
आसीत्. धन्यवादः.
Now we are going to another important aspect of the prayogam, that is chit chana prayogam. This is entirely opposite to the cardinals, Purana Pratyanta. While Purana Pratyantas indicate a particular person or a particular thing, chit chana prayogam doesn't indicate a particular person. Unidentified object, unidentified person, it indicates. Unidentified place, unidentified time, unidentified quality. It gives unidentified. You cannot fix it. That is Chit Chana Prayoga. These two are Avyay Rupas, indeclinables. They don't have Vibhaktis for this. They don't have Vachana Vedam for this. And this gives only when they don't have independent status of usage also. You cannot use independently these things. It has to go with some Prashnavachaka. Now let us learn first with Prashnavachaka Kim. Mostly it is used with Kim Shabda. The other Kakaranta Shabda, Prashnavachaka also it can be used. We learn that now. Now if you go to Chit Chana Prayogam, is used to indicate unidentified, unspecified object or place or person. In the earlier chapter, we read about Purana Prachyantaha, which indicate a specific object or place or person, as against this Chit Chana Prayogam is used to indicate an unidentified one, whether it could be a person or a thing or a place or anything like that. Chitta Chana Prayogam always used with Prashnavachaka Sabdaha, such as Kim Sabdaha, Kutra, Kati, Kada, Kutaha, Katham, etc. It has to go associate with this. It doesn't have independent status of usage. You cannot just use Chitta and proceed ahead. You have to use along with Prashnavachaka. Then only it has got the meaning in that. Then how they are used? You see read the sentences here. Chit, Chana, Prayoga. Both are equal meaning, identical. Either you put Chit or you put Chana, the meaning conveys it same. It doesn't have any change. identical. In mathematics, 3 lines are there, no? Like that. Similarity. So, with Kim, either you use Chit, with Kim, either you use Chana, the meaning conveys it same. So, Kaschit Purushaha Tatra Gacchati. This sentence. What is the verb here? Gacchati. Going. Kaha Gacchati? Purushaha Gacchati. Kutra Gacchati? Tatra Gacchati. Kaschit Purushaha? That is the question. Which person? Some person. Question and answer same. Kaha plus chit, kaschit. There is sandhi happens there. Kaha is pullinga rupa. Purushaha is pullinga. Since Purushaha is pullinga sabda, we have to use Kim sabdasya pullinga rupa. Kim sabdasya pullinga rupa is what? Kaha. You add chit to kaha. Then becomes kaha plus chit. The kaha plus chit becomes kaschit when sandhi happens. We learn sandhis from next class onwards. Kaha plus chit kaschit purushaha tatra gacchati. Similarly, if it is a lady, it's a purusha, because purushaha pullingam, kaha is used here. If it is lady, vruddha is a lady. So what we have to use here? Ka. What we have to add here? Chit. Kachit vruddha katham vadati. Vadati kriya. Ka vadati, vruddha vadati. Kam vadati, katham vadati. Ka vruddha, that is the question. Ka vruddha, yavara vruddhuru, who is that lady? Ka vruddha. Kachit vruddha. Earlier also similarly, ka purushaha, not kaschit purushaha. Kaha purushaha tatra gacchati? That is the question. We don't know which person is that, which purushaha is that. Kaschit purushaha, some person, some purushaha. Similarly, ka vruddha katham vadati? Which lady, which old lady is telling the story? Kachit vruddha. Some old lady. We don't know the exact identification of that lady. Name, place, all those things. Kachit vruddha katham vadati. Similarly, Rameshaha kenachit mitrena saha. This is Tritiya Vibhakti Prayog. Kenachit mitrena saha nagaram gatavan. Gatavan kriya. Kaha gatavan? Rameshaha gatavan. Kutra gatavan? Nagaram gatavan. Kena saha gatavan? Mitrena saha gatavan. Kena mitrena? ఏ మిత్రునితో వెళ్ళాడు? ఉచ్చిమిత్ర. విత్ ఉచ్చిమిత్ర ఈవెంట్. There are 100 mitras are there for him. Uchimitra yaar. In Uchimitra he has gone. With Uchimitra he has gone. I don't know yaar. Kena chit mitrena. Some friend has come and gone, taken him away. Along with him has gone. Some friend. Kena chit. Kena plus chit. Kena chit. Similarly, Grahaswamini kasmai chit sevakaya vastram dattavati. Chaturdev Bhakti Prayogam. Dattavati. Kim dattavati? Vastram dattavati. Ka dattavati? Grahaswamini. Kaya dattavati? Sevaka. Kasmai dattavati? Sevakaya. Kasmai sevakaya? Kasmai chit sevakaya. The kasmanchit vrukshat phalam patitam. Patitam. Phalam was fallen. Patitam is karmani prayogam. Was fallen. Patitam. Kim patitam? फलं पतितं कुतः पतितं वृक्षात् पतितं कश्चित् वृक्षात् कस्मात् उत्तात् कस्मात् वृक्षात् पुल्लिंग शब्द कस्मात् वृक्षात् कस्माच्चित् वृक्षात् कस्मात् प्लस चित् संधि डबल चकाరం will come there कस्मात् प्लस चित् कस्माच्चित् I will explain later. Similarly, कस्मिंचित् पुस्तके अहं एतां कथां दृष्टवान्. I have seen this. कः दृष्टवान् अहं दृष्टवान् कां दृष्टवान् कथां दृष्टवान् कां कथां एतां कथां दृष्टवान् कुत्र दृष्टवान् पुस्तके कस्मिन् पुस्तके I don't know some पुस्तकं कस्मिंचित् पुस्तके some puस्तक has seen this katha. I don't know which book is that. So we could not identify the book in library rack number 5 10 number book. I could not identify that. Some book has seen somewhere. Where is also I don't know. Where is that book also I don't know. Similarly, Chhatrah kaschana shikshakam prushtavan is wrong, this is correct. Prushtavan asit, asked. Asit, Prushtavan asit. He asked. What he asked? Whom he asked? Shikshakam, Ditya Shikshakam asked. Shikshakam Prushtavan. Kam Shikshakam? Kam plus chana. Kam plus chana is kanchana. This is Anuswara Prayoga. Kam plus chana, kanchana. Kanchana Shikshakam. Chhatrah kanchana Shikshakam Prushtavan asit. केषुचित् विद्यालयेषु उत्तमं पाठनं न प्रचलति किं न प्रचलति पाठनं न प्रचलति कीदृशं पाठम् उत्तमं पाठं कुत्र न प्रचलति विद्यालयेषु कुत्र न प्रचलति विद्यालयेषु कुत्र न प्रचलति विद्यालयेषु केषु विद्यालयेषु I don't know. I could not identify which Vidyalayeshu is not going on. But it is not, I know some Vidyalayas is not going on. Keshu chit Vidyalayasu. Some Vidyalaya. Kebhyaschit janebhyaha tyagaha na rochate. Many people do not like donations. Na rochate. Don't like. What they don't like? Tyagaha. They don't want to leave. Still they are got attachment. Tyagaha na rochate. Asakti adhikam asti. Desires are more. Tyagaha na rochate. Kebhyaha janebhyaha. Kebhyaha janebhyaha. Which janebhyaha? Some janebhyaha. Kebhyaschit janebhyaha. I can't identify. In millions of people, some people. Kebhyaschit janebhyaha tyagaha na rochate. Aham kamschana prasnan prashtham ichchami. Prashthum ichchami. Prashtham rather. Wrong. This is wrong. Aham kamschana prashnan prashthum ichchami. I would like to ask. Kan like to ask. Kan prashthum ichchami. Kan. Prashnan. Prashna pulling shabda. Ditya bhakti bahuvachanam. Kan. Kan prashnan prashthum ichchami. I don't know. Some prashna. So, kan plus chana. Kan plus chana, kanchana. There are 2-3 sandhis are there in this. Some Anunaska sandhi, so many sandhis are there in this. We will learn higher level of Vyakaranam. So aham kanshana prashnan prashtam ichhan. Kanshana. Kan plus chana, kanshana. In the above sentences, all red color words indicate unspecified, unidentified object or place or person, where the words on blue color indicate the name concerned about object or place or a person. In all the 10 cases, the chitchana are used with the Prashnavachaka word kim. In the first example, we have the word kaschit purushaha, since the speaker is unknown, male person, kaha plus chit, kaschit is used. It will be similar usage in Srilinga and Napusalinga. What are the attributes of word sabdaha? Kim. Kim is Prashnavachaka sabdaha. It is Sarvanama sabdaha. It is Makara Antaha sabdaha. It is 3 genders. Kaha Pullingaha, Ka Srilingaha, Kim Napusalingaha. Hence it is used in all the 3 genders. It has declining tables. It's all Pravesha Patam. I am repeating here. It has declining tables in all the 3 lingaha. This was explained in Pravesha Bhagaha. The tables are placed again below for your immediate study. This is tables of Makaranta Kim Shabdha, Pullinga Rupa Shabdha. Pullinga table is this. This was given in Pravesha table. Now I am repeating here. Then Srilinga table and Napusaka table. Okay. More than that, important is how when you add chit, they behave. Please read this table. Makaranta Pullinga Kaha plus chit. How they behave. Pradhama Vibhakti. Kaha plus chit, kaschit. Cow plus chit, kauchit. All these things are to be by hearted now as right by you. Because you don't know sandhis. When you know sandhi, you will understand why they have come like that. But as on date, read them 10 times, write them 2 times. And for usage, you have to remember these combined words. Kaha plus chit, kaschit. Cow plus chit, kauchit. K plus chit, kechit. Kam plus chit, kanchit. Cow plus chit, kauchit. Kan plus chit, not kan plus chit. Wrong. Kan plus chit, kanchit, panchit. Then Tritiya, Kena plus chit, kenachit, kabhyam chit, kabhyangchit, kaihi plus chit, kaischit. Chaturthi, kasmai plus chit, kasmai chit, kabhyam plus chit, kabhyanchit, same. Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, always same in Ditya Divachana. Kaihi plus chit, kaischit, kebhya plus chit, kebhyaschit, kebhya plus chit, kebhyaschit. Chaturthi, Panchami, always same. Bhavachana. Kesham plus chit, keshanchit, keshu plus chit, keshu chit. Similarly, Chaturthi, Ekavachanam, kasmai plus chit, kasmaischit, kasmat plus chit, kasmanchit, kasya plus chit, kasyaschit, kayoh plus chit, kayoschit, kasmin plus chit, kasminschit, kayoh plus chit, kayoschit. Here Panchami, it becomes double chakara. Kasmat plus chit, kasmachit. This is Vyanjana Sandhi we will learn in Siksha. This Sandhis we will learn in Siksha. Pravesha, Parachaya and Siksha. Then only you will be able to appreciate more clearly these prayogas. But now we have to use these things. That's why you have to learn. Then similarly, ka plus chit, kachit, k plus chit, kechit, kaha plus chit, kaschit. Ditya, kam plus chit, kanchit, k plus chit, kechit, kaha plus chit, kaschit, kaya plus chit, kayachit, kabhyanch plus chit, kabhyanchit, kabhi plus chit, kabhischit, kasyai plus chit, kasyaichit, kasyam plus chit, kabhyam plus chit, kabhyanchit, kabhyah chit plus kabhyaschit, kasyah plus kasyaschit, kabhyam plus chit, kabhyam, kabhyah chit plus kabhyaschit, kasyah plus kasyaschit, kayoh plus chit, kayoschit, kasam plus chit, kasanchit, kasyam chit plus kasyanchit, kayoh plus chit, kayoschit, kasu plus chit, kasuchit. When it comes to Napusaka Sabdam, Pradhama Vibhakti only differs. From Tritiya Vibhakti only it follows Tritiya, Pullinga Rupa. So only Pradhama and Ditya will read here. Kim plus chit kimchit, K plus chit kechit, Kani plus chit kanichit. Kim plus chit kimchit. Pradama and Ditya same again here. Napumsaka Shabdam always is a fundamental thumb rule. Napumsaka Shabdas, Pradama Vibhakti Rupas and Ditya Vibhakti Rupas always same. Kim plus chit kimchit, K plus chit kechit, Kani plus chit kanichit. All these things are Pullinga Rupas only again. Same thing as Pullinga Rupas. So that's how we have used them. Now see the examples. Kachit Vruddha, a certain old lady. Kenachit Mitrena Saha, with a friend. Kasmaichit Sevakaya, to a servant. Kasmachit Vrukshat, from some tree. And Kaschan Shikshakam, some teacher. Keshichan Vidyalayeshu, in some schools. Kebhyaschit Janebhya, to some people. Kamschan Prashnan, some questions. Let us understand the niyamas to Chitta Chana Prayoga. Chit and Chana both are indeclinables, avyayas. There is no difference in the meaning conveyed by them. They are added only to the different forms of Kim Shabdaha. Kim Shabdaha being a Visheshanam takes the gender, number, case of the Visheshyam. Now read the following sentences. Vakyani. Mama Lekhani Kutrachit Patita. What is used here? Prashnavachkam. Kutra. Not Kim Shabdam. Kutra word used. Kutra plus chit. Mama Lekhani Kutrachit Patita. Somewhere it fell down. It was fell down. Kadachit Sajjanaha. Kadachit. Samayam. Kadachit. Sometimes. Sometimes Sajjanaha api Rushtaha bhavati. Even sometimes good people or sadhujana also will get angry. Kadachit Sajjanaha api Rushtaha bhavati. Prakoste Kutaschit. Kutaha plus chit. From somewhere. From somewhere. Panchami prayam. Kutaha. Kutaha plus chit. Kutaschit. Sitavayuhu agachati. Kutaschit. Somewhere. Panchami prayam. Kutaha. Kutaha is Panchami Vibhakti. Prashnavachakam. Katichit nanakani prapya vikshukaha santushta. Katichit. Kati prayog. Kati plus chit. Sankhya-vachaka sabd. Prashnavachakam. A few nanakani prapya vikshukaha santushtaha bhavat. Kathanchit balaka, the adverb. Kathanchit, somehow. Katham plus chit. Kathanchit. Katham plus chit. Anuswara prayog. Anuswara becomes Panchama Varnam. Kathanchit balakaha vruksham arudhavan. He climbed the tree. How he had climbed, we don't know. Somehow he got up, but he could not come down. That is the question here. In the above sentences, to the interrogative words, Prashnavachaka Shabdaha, Kutra, Kada, Kat, Kutaha, Kati, what is Sanda? Some wrong here, nothing wrong here. Kathamchit, Chana have been fixed in some sense of uncertainty. These are called Anishitarthaka Shabdaha. Thus, a word ending in chit or chana denote an unspecified thing or a person. Next class, we will learn Sandhaya. We will learn Sandhaya. So, any doubts at this stage? Please ask me. Any doubts on Chana Prayogam or Purana Prachayantaha? Otherwise, we will go to Sadachara Slokas. There are one sloka for each lesson. There are 10 lessons, 10 slokas are there. Last class, I talked about Subhashitaha. I am talking about Sadachara Sloka. Panchagavyam is the first lesson slokam. Yat tvagasti gatam papam, tvak asti gatam. Yat tvak asti gatam. Yat tvak asti gatam papam. Dehe tishtati mamake. Mamake means in my body. Dehe mamake. देहे मामके सप्तमी प्रयोगम. मामकः मामके. देहः मामकः. मामकः देहः देहः. मयि देहम्. इन्मयि देहम्. मामके देहे. मामके देहे तिष्ठति. In my body, something is sitting. Some papam is sitting in my body. In my head is sitting last 2 months. Some papam is sitting. Main deha tishte mamake. Twagasti gatam. Twak asti gatam. In the twak asti. Twak means muscles and skin. Asti means bones. That is body. These two combination is body. Twagasti gatam. Inside. You got inside. Papam. That papam. Yat edaite whichever is in my body's muscles and bones. That papam in my body. Tishtati. Whatever it is there. Prasanam panchagavyasya. If I take the panchagavya prasana. Dahat chagni rivendhanam. Dahati agni iva indhanam. Sandhi prayoga. Dahati plus agnihi plus iva plus indhanam. Dahat chagni rivendhanam. Dahati plus agni plus agnihi plus iva plus indhanam. Dahat chagni rivendhanam. Dahati, it burns. How it burns? Just like Agni burns indhana. Just like Iva. Iva means just like. Just like Agni he burns indhanam, that castam, that wood. If one takes Panchagavya prasana, what is Panchagavyas? Panchagavya means milk, goat milk, cow curd, cow ghee, cow mutra, cow mala. These are the not just normal. Our Indian cows' milks are not normal milks. They are medicinal milks, medicinal items. All the 5 are having very high medicinal qualities. If you have a cow in your house, it is understood, it is told by the elders. If the Swami is really praying that cow every day, if that fellow has got some disease, the cow will be able to know what is his disease. And when it goes for churning grass in the forest, it eats that particular aushadhi and gives milk next day, which cures him. That is the quality of Indian cow. So that's why Panchagavya Prasana is very, very, very important in our rituals. If you want to do any yagam, whatever pure person you are, whatever pious person you are doing that yaga, maybe very big Veda Pandit, very Nichagnihotri, whoever he is, very pious person, sitting and doing that puja. But he has to start with, after Ganapati puja, he has to start Panchagavya Prasana, then only he should start the remaining yaga. That is the Panchagavya Prasana's importance in our Sanatana Dharma culture. We have forgotten all these things. Every becomes routine. Even when you go to a Kumbhabhishekam or a temple ceremonies, we never bother about what they are doing. We leave to them. We should understand all these things. That is the learning of Sanatana Dharma. Just by reading the books, you will not get learning Sanatana Dharma. By following rituals, you learn Sanatana Dharma. You have to go and see what is happening, how they are doing, what they are reciting, how they are reciting. And if you don't know, ask them, request them, and learn them. That's how you learn more. How many books you read without practical experience, you will not get a grainy correct knowledge. Please understand this. Next, Shatayur Vajradehaya Sarva Sampatkaraya cha. Shatayuhu, 100 years. Vajradehaya, very strong body, Arogyam body with very good health. Sarva Sampatkaraya cha, all sampadas are to obtain all the sampadas. Sarva Arishta Vinashaya, all aristas should go away. What you have to do? Nimba Kandala Bhakshanam. Nimba means neem, vapor jet, neem tree. Kandala means the flowers or the latest leaves, fresh leaves, today's leaves, like that. Nimba Kandala. Kandala means the fresh leaves. Chigullu anta Telugulo. Kandala Bhakshanam. Eat those things every day, few. That will keep your body very strong. That will give you 100 years life. I know the people, seed inspectors, etc., who eat every day. One seed inspector I know in childhood. I was told he used to eat every day some quantity of this Nimba Kandala to take care of the poison, anything on him. No poison will work on him. That's how he practiced. Some seed inspector. So it's a very important aspect in Nimba Vruksham. These are all to be patented. Otherwise, other people will patent it. These are all available in our Ayurveda Shastra, Charaka Samhita. We have to understand these things and make it publicized and known to people that this is our property, intellectual property. We have to protect our intellectual property. This is one of the aims of the Veda Sanskrit Santi. Intellectual property protection is not only the stones of the temples and other things. Protecting our monument, manuscripts. Protecting our Vedic Shastras. Not only protecting those books, following those things is the real preservation and protection of that this thing. Next. Semi Samayate Pap. This second slokam is used in Ugadi Pakshi. That's why you use Ugadi Pakshi with this. The New Year day in March. Semi Samayate Papam Semi Shatru Vinasani. This is Dasami, Vijay Dasami Rose. This is Semi Vriksha. Is in Telangana, they say Bangaram. On 10th day of the Dasara Navratri, they share Bangaram each other. With that, they embrace each other and then wish each other. And it is told that is very important. Semi Vriksham is very important and lovable Vriksham by Arjuna and Sri Rama both. Why Arjuna? Before going to the 13th year Ajnatavasa, they kept all their Ayudas on Semi Vriksha and prayed that Semi Vriksha, please protect our Ayudas. And Semi Vriksha protected them, showing like a dead body to all others, and only for them it will be shown as a Ayudas. So that's how the importance of Semi Vriksha has come to Arjuna. But how Dhanurdhari Ramasya, this I don't know. For Rama also it is Priyadarshini. Maybe I am thinking that Rama's Kodandam is made from Semi Vriksham only. That's what I am thinking. Semi trees would only use it for his Kodandam. Maybe. This is what I am thinking. My expectation. I have to check up that with Shastras. So this is third slokam. Fourth slokam. Yena baddho bali raja danavendro mahabalaha tena tam anubadhanami rakshe manava mahava. This is Bali Chakravarti's story, where Bali has been controlled by which Raksha? The same Raksha I am wearing now. Please protect me. That is the meaning of this sloka. Yena, with whom, with what Baddha, with what the Bali was tied out. Yena Baddho Bali Raja, with what the Bali Raja Bali was tied down. Who is that Bali Raja? Danavendro Mahabala. It's a great person. He's a very pious person. Even a very pious person, the grandson of Prahlada, who is a Vishnu Bhakta. Even Dana, Mahabala, Bali also Vishnu Bhakta only. But when it goes to adharma of occupying the Indra's portfolio and Indra's work and giving obstruction to Indra work is supposed to be done by anybody in the world, in the universe. Indra portfolio, Indra has to do. Bali portfolio, Bali has to do. Bali cannot interfere with Indra's portfolio. When he started interfering with Bali portfolio or Indra's portfolio, Vishnu has to take the shape of Vamana and send him to Patala. What all he has enjoyed till that time, he has lost. He has been tied down. But he is Vishnu Bhakta. That's why he has given some boons also to him. And he has become Sevaka in Patala. It is told during the Chaturmasa, the 4 months, Vishnu goes and protects the Patala Bali during that 4 months period. I'm not very sure. We have to check up these things. But there's written somewhere. Yena baddho Bali Raja Danavendraha Balo Mahavalaha. Yena baddha. Baddho is the Sandhi. Yena baddha Bali Raja Danavendraha Mahabalaha. Tena Tvam Anubhadnami. I am also tying up myself. Same Raksha. Rakshe Mamava. Me. Please protect me also. Protect me also. Yanmule Sarvatirthani, Yanmache Sarvadevata, Yadagre Sarvavedascha, Tulsi Tuam Namamyaham. This Tulsi Puja is our day-to-day affair in rural villages, mostly. All city people, they have forgotten, of course. Maybe people are coming back now. But many people have forgotten about Tulsi importance. They have more Christians. So, Yanmule Sarvatirthani, whose base is considered to be a place of all tirthas. That's why the lady, house lady, every day, early morning, she gets up, takes bath and do puja for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. And then comes and prays Tulsi Mata and puts water there and put that water on her head. Then she goes inside and starts his housework. That is a normal house lady's work in the villages. Even today we find in many houses. That is the Sanatana Dharma's protection. Achara, Sadachara. Because of this Sadachara, only Sanatana Dharma is still alive in the country. Yanmule Sarvatirthani, whose base is place of all tirthas, 300 tirthas of Bharat. Yanmajhe Sarvadevataha, the Majha Devatas are there in middle of that tree, Tulsi tree. Yadagre Sarvavedascha, the Tulsi leaves are equal to Vedas. Tulsi leaves are highly medicinal quality values. It gives oxygen. You take few leaves in a Tulsi, you grow Tulsi vanam in your house, and take few leaves of Tulsi every day. You will never get a heart attack. The heart will be always strengthy. But you have to do that. Yadagre Sarva Vedascha Tulsi Tvam Namamyam. Tulsi Tvam, for you, Namami Aham. I am bowing down. Next. Mulato Brahma Rupaya, Majjato Vishnu Rupine, Agrato Rudra Rupaya, Vrksharajayate Namaha. Vrksharaja is Ravichettu. This is Aswadha Vriksha. The Aswadha Vriksha is considered to be the kandam is Brahma, and in between is Vishnu, and end is Rudra, and all trees, this Aswadha tree is the very important tree. That's why we find every temple, you find Aswadha tree, people pray and they put their oaths there. You find in many temples, you find this, and people have faith and they are getting fulfilled also. Gavo Mamagrataha संतु गावो मे संतु पृष्ठतः गावो मे हृदयं नित्यं गवां मध्ये वसाम्यहम्. Importance of cow. How cow is important in Sanatana Dharma. गावः मम अग्रतः. Before me, cow should be there. When I go to Guru Pravesham, first cow will go enter. When I go to Yuddha, first cow will enter. If I invite a Raja, first cow should go. If I invite a Sannyasi, first cow should go. Then only Kalasam and all those things will go. Veda Pandits will go behind that. Who is the first person? Cow. Even Bharadwaja, when Rama enters his Parnasala, he invites it in a cow in Ramayana. So, Gavo mama agrataha. Santu gavaha me, for me, santu prashtataha. My behind also cow should be there. Should always keep my cow in my house. Gavaha me hurdayam. My hurdayam should be filled up with respect to one cow. Nityam gavam majhe asamyaham. I will live in middle of the cows. That means Goshalas are to be protected. Next. Tvam Raja Sarvatirthanam Tvameva Jagatah Pita. You are the leader of all tirthas. You are the, when you are taking bath in any tirtham, you have to pray that tirtham as your Raja. You are the Raja of all tirthas. You have to pray that tirtha so that tirtham will bless you. Tvam Raja Sarvatirthanam. All tirthas, you are the Raja. Tvameva Jagatah Pita. You are the whole Jagat Pita. Brahma, Sakshat Paramatma Swarupam. You are the Paramatma Swarupam. Yachitam Dehime Tirtham. Please, I am praying you, I am begging you. Sarva Papa Manuttame. Please remove all my doshas in my life. All my Purvakarmas, let all my Purvakarmas go zero. Let me become free from all these things, Janamurchu cycle. Give me moksham. That is called Sarva Papa Manuttame. All papas means karmas. All karmas should go away from my account. So that becomes zero. Unless the karma becomes zero, we cannot get moksha. So how karma becomes zero? There are two things. Bhagavad Gita told Nishkam Karma, Saranagati, and Bhagavad Pradhana. These are the three things are required. That's why Bhagavad Gita should be understood properly to get this understanding correctly. Next. Surabhi Vaishnavi Mataha Saraloke Mahiyase. Oh, Surabhi Kamadhenu, this is again cow only. Surabhi Vaishnavi Mataha. Vaishnu Sarupam, Vishnu Sarupam. Surabhi Vaishnu Sarupam. Vishnu. Because Vishnu Sarupam, Vishnu is Stitakaraka. When Surabhi is there means Vishnu is there, Lakshmi is there. When a cow in the house means Lakshmi is there in the house. Lakshmi is there in the house means Vishnu is there in the house. So Surabhi Vaishnavi Mataha Saraloke Mahiyase. You are famous in Sargaloka. Grasa Mushti Maya Datta. Grasa Mushti Maya Datta. For my hand, I am giving a handful of grasam I am giving to you. This is what I can give you. Grasa Mushti Maya Datta. Given by me. Datta Surabhe Pratigruhyatam. Please take the handful of grass I am giving to you. This is what I have to do. We have to do every day. If we cannot do every day, at least in cities, you go to a Goshala every week or 10 days, 15 days or 1 month, feed the cows and come back. People who serve the cow has got the blessing of getting a son or grandson. Last 4 years, 5 years back, I know one family. After marriage, 4 or 5 years, the boy is not having the grand is not coming to that. The family had got the cow in the house, and 1 year he saved that cow in 2021. 23rd, he got the grandson in the house. This is a recent I am talking about. For that 4 or 5 years, 6 years, they were trying, no. They went to doctors, etc. not happening. So praying cow will give so many other benefits also. So these are the important. Cow is a very important consideration in our family, in our Sanatana Dharma, in our life, for our desires, for our happy living. Namaha Suryaya Somaya Mangalaya Cha. These Navagrahas, the Navagrahas which are controlling our life. These are the Adichaya Somaya Mangalaya Budaya Cha, Guru Sukra Sani Bhyaschara Veketanama. It's normally everybody's recite. Navagraha slokas. Same way in different sloka. Namaha Suryaya Somaya Mangalaya Cha. Suryaya Surya, Soma Chandra, Mangala Mars. Guru Sukra Sani Bhyascha. Guruhu Sukra Sani Bhyascha. Surya Sani Bhyascha. All the three grahas. Rahave Ketave Namaha. Total 9. Suryaya Namah Suryaya Somaya Mangalaya Cha. Guru Sukra Sani Bhyascha. Rahave Ketave Namaha.
Guruji, Buddha has been left out.
Somewhere Buddha left out. That's what I'm saying. Surya. Somewhere this has to be checked out. This is corrected. 1 second. Let me see the book. That's what I'm getting out.
Namah Suryaya Somaya Mangalaya Budhaya Cha.
Buddha Sukra, Guru Sukra, Buddha
మంగళాయ చ
సాధనలో
బుధాయ
బుధాయచ్చ మిస్ అయింది గురుగారు అంతే.
Somewhere I left that. While typing, I missed that.
Normally we say Adityaya, Somaya, Mangalaya, Budhaya cha.
Namah Suryaya Somaya
You
Mangalaya
have added
Budhaya Cha.
Surya.
So here it is missing. Mangalaya
Nama
Budhaya
Adityaya,
Cha.
Somaya, Mangalaya, Budhaya cha. Guru Sukra Sani Bhyascha Rahave Ketave Namaha.
Here it is missing. Budhaya Cha. Namah Suryaya Somaya Mangalaya Budhaya Cha. Guru Sukra Sani Bhyascha Rahave Ketave Namaha. Total 9. So with this Sadacharam, I completed the Sadacharam 10 slokas of the Parishya portion and 10 slokas of 20 slokas are there in Subhashtam. I have completed only 5. 15 slokas are to be completed there. So Sadachara I completed, Suktis I have completed, Chart slokas are to be completed, to be taken up. I don't know when can I take it up. We'll see. So please read these things. If you have got a book, please read with the meanings. When I make notes, probably I'll try to make the notes also, meanings also to this, along with the sloka. So, here I am stopping. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunattu Saha Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti 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 Satyam Vada Dharman Chara Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Santu Sarve Bhadrani Pasyantu Ma Kaschid Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti 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 Vaitika Mantra Drishah Purana Indram Yamam Matariswana Mahu Vedantino Nirvachaniya Nekam Yam Brahma Sabdena Viniddisanti Saivayami Sam Sivayicha Vochan Im Vaishnava Vishnu Ritistuvanti Buddhastadarhaniti Vaudha Jaina Sasri Akaleti Chasikka Santa Shasteti Kaichit Prakriti Kumaraha Swamiti Mateti Piteti Bhaktya Yam Prardhayante Jagadisitaram Sayekayeva Prabharadvitiya Om Shanti Shanti Sarvasti Krishna Arpanamasti Namaskaraha Punaha Agami Kashayam Milayama Namaskar.
Okay, thank you, Babu Garu. We will go for Sanskrita Geetam, then
Any
Pradhana.
questions you can ask now or
Later, after the Pradhana, we'll have questions.
Okay, let's go for Slokam Venkatnarayan Garu. Okay.
यूरान विभूषयन्ति पुरुषं हारान चन्द्रोज्ज्वलाः न स्नानन्न विलेपनन्न कुसुमं नालङ्कृता मूर्धजाः वाण्येकासमलङ्करोति पुरुषं या संस्कृता धार्यते क्षीयन्ते खलु भूषणानि सततम् वाग्भूषणं भूषणम् వాగ్భూషణం భూషణం.
ధన్యవాదములండి వెంకటనారాయణ గారు.
మహోదయ నేను ఒక సుభాషితం చెప్తాను మహోదయ.
చెప్పండి.
హంసః శ్వేతో బకః శ్వేతః కో భద్రో బకహంసయోః నీరక్షీర వివేకేతు హంసో హంసో బకః బకః. అంటే బోత్ స్వాన్ అండ్ క్రేన్ లుక్స్ alike, but swan has got only the power to separate milk and water. So a man should use his discrimination when two things are looks similar to assess their qualities. This is the meaning of the Subhashitam Mahodaya.
ధన్యవాదములండి రామేష్.
నమస్కారం.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. నౌ లెట్స్ గో ఫర్ ప్రార్థన. సుధీర్ భట్టాజీ.
స్వస్తి
ప్రజాభ్యాం పరిపాలయంతాం న్యాయేన
న్యాయేన మహిం మహిషాః గోబ్రాహ్మణేభ్యః శుభమస్తు నిత్యం. లోకాः సమస్తాः సుఖినో భవంతు. కాలే వర్షతు పర్జన్యః పృథివీ సస్యశాలినీ. దేశోऽयं క్షోభరహితో బ్రాహ్మణాः సంతు నిర్భయాः. అపుత్రాः పుత్రిణः సంతు పుత్రిణः సంతు పౌత్రిణः. అధనా సధనా సంతు జీవంతు శరదాం శతం. సత్యం వద ధర్మం చర స్వాధ్యాయాన్ మా ప్రమదః. సర్వే భవంతు సుఖినః సర్వే సంతు నిరామయాః. సర్వే భద్రాణి పశ్యంతు మా కశ్చిద్ దుఃఖభాగ్ భవేత్. ఓం శాంతి శాంతి శాంతిః. ఓం పూర్ణమదః పూర్ణమిదం పూర్ణాత్ పూర్ణముదచ్యతే పూర్ణస్య పూర్ణమాదాయ పూర్ణమేవావశిష్యతే. ఓం శాంతి శాంతి శాంతిః. హరి ఓం శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. హరి ఓం. ఓం సర్వే జనాః సుఖినో భవంతు. స్వస్తి.
ఓం సర్వే జనాః సుఖినో భవంతు. స్వస్తి. ధన్యవాదములండి సుధీర్ భట్ట గారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. నౌ లెట్స్ గో ఫర్ నేషనల్ యాంథమ్ జనగణమన. చల్లా చిట్టిబాబు గారు.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा. तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा. जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे. जय हिंद.
జై హింద్. ధన్యవాదములండి చల్లా చిట్టిబాబు గారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. నౌ ఐ స్టాప్ ద రికార్డింగ్.
Yeah.